A company starts losing customers even though its products are technically good. Complaints increase, mistakes keep repeating, and different teams follow different processes with no consistency. The problem is not capability. The problem is the lack of a strong quality management system. That is why ISO 9001 quality management principles matter. In this video, we will explore the ISO 9001 quality management principles and understand how they help organizations improve quality, consistency, and customer satisfaction. What are ISO 9001 quality management principles? ISO 9001 quality management principles are a set of fundamental concepts that help organizations improve quality, strengthen processes, and enhance customer satisfaction. These principles form the foundation of the ISO 9001 quality management system. The 7 quality management principles are: customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision-making, relationship management. Together, these principles help organizations create more consistent and efficient operations. Why are ISO 9001 quality management principles important? Without consistent quality practices, organizations often face repeated errors, operational inefficiencies, and declining customer trust. ISO 9001 principles help organizations create structured systems that improve quality and long-term business performance. Some key benefits include: improves customer satisfaction and trust, creates consistency across processes, reduces errors and operational issues, encourages continuous improvement, improves teamwork and leadership, supports better decision-making. By applying these principles effectively, organizations can improve both performance and customer experience. Understanding the 7 quality management principles. Each principle plays an important role in helping organizations maintain effective quality management practices. Customer focus. Organizations should understand customer needs and consistently improve customer satisfaction. Leadership. Strong leadership creates direction, alignment, and a quality-focused culture. Employees at all levels contribute towards improving quality and performance. Process approach. Managing activities as interconnected processes improves consistency and efficiency. Improvement. Continuous improvement helps organizations adapt and maintain long-term success. Evidence-based decision-making. Decisions should be based on data and reliable information rather than assumptions. Relationship management. Strong relationships with suppliers and stakeholders improve organizational performance. Together, these principles create a strong foundation for effective quality management systems. How organizations apply ISO 9001 principles. Organizations apply ISO 9001 principles across operations, manufacturing, customer service, and process management activities. For example, customer feedback helps improve products and services. Process management improves workflow efficiency. Leadership improves organizational alignment. Data analysis supports better decisions. Supplier collaboration improves operational stability. This makes ISO 9001 principles practical and valuable across different industries and business environments. Quality is not achieved through isolated efforts. It is built through consistent processes, strong leadership, continuous improvement, and a clear focus on customer satisfaction. The ISO 9001 quality management principles provide organizations with a structured foundation for improving quality, efficiency, and long-term performance. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on quality management and professional skills.